It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, July 2nd. I'm James Spann. New day, old forecast. We'll have the sun out at times. A few storms around today. The storms could be strong. Check it out. Big picture this morning. Same setup. We have a hot upper ridge in the west, a trough over the east, and it's the MCS of the morning, northwest of the state. Again, big rains over parts of Missouri and Arkansas, and energy from that is rolling down the backside of the trough. And even if those storms dissipate, new storms form on the outflow, much like the ones we had yesterday and last night. Look at Anniston. Feels pretty good there. They've got 67. Most everybody else in the low 70s to start the day. We'll expect mid-80s today. Flash flood warnings with that MCS over southern Missouri. Many counties up there under warnings. And later today, chance of more strong storms, a marginal risk for about the northern third of the state, the standard slight risk near the Tennessee border. Again, like yesterday, wet microbursts will be the main threat. Looks like we had one in Calera last night. And, of course, every summer storm has just gobs of lightning. Tomorrow, a marginal risk for much of the state, the northern two-thirds. And on day 3, Saturday, same thing, a marginal risk for much of Alabama. Overall rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Heavier amounts near the Tennessee border, the bullseye, up there around Elkmont, about 4.5 inches. That's a lot. And the amounts much lighter near the Gulf Coast. If you're beach-bound, everything looks fine down there for the 4th of July weekend. About 7 to 9 hours of sunshine each day with the typical chance of a passing storm from time to time. And the tropics quiet as a mouse. No hurricanes or tropical storm worries for the weekend. All right, model fans, the GFS, this is the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. There's your big eastern trough, western ridge, moist air, the sun out at times, and a few passing showers and storms. High-res HRRR today at 4 o'clock, not showing a lot, and even these very good high-res models just don't have a good grasp on summer storms. Dealing with summer convection, it's just almost impossible. Summer storms are random. Scattered. I can't tell you exactly when it's going to start or stop where you live. Nobody can. That's just a guideline. Same thing tomorrow. We'll expect a high in the mid-80s in most spots with a few passing showers and storms, but certainly it's not going to rain all day, and the sun should be out at times. Same idea for Saturday, and the same idea for Sunday. A mixture of clouds and sunshine, a few passing storms, highs mostly mid-80s. Interesting to note the GFS is printing a high of only 80 for Birmingham on Saturday, with the idea that there could be some morning showers to keep the heat down. So 90s not happening here anytime soon. And again, the bulk of the showers and storms will come during the afternoon and evening hours, but in this pattern, you cannot rule out the chance of a late night or morning storm with the northwest flow aloft. Monday of next week, still a soupy moist air mass. Here's Tuesday. Things just aren't changing much. Toward the middle of next week, we think the showers might thin out a bit as the heights are coming up. This is Thursday of next week, a week from today, July 9th, and you can see that indeed we've got a 590 ring across the southern states. The trough is way north of us, so probably low 90s with scattered mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms. Here's the end of the forecast. This is Saturday, July 11th. Look at that trough again, redeveloping over the east. That just seems to be a very persistent feature, which is a good thing because it sure keeps the heat levels down, and again, some risk of scattered storms. Now, the ensembles here push us up in the mid-90s toward the end of next week and that weekend, but again, it has been running too high on those maximums. I'm not so sure it gets that hot. You can see it's only got 81 in here on Saturday. And the anomalies, this is for July 9th through July 15th, maybe a little above average here, with below average temperatures expected to the north. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.